This 2022 Keystone Raptor 352 triple slide, rear 11 feet garage is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features a tan, cream classic neutrals interior, sleeps 7, Slideout, auxiliary battery, TV, self-contained, Skylight, air conditioning, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Raptor 352 triple slide, rear 11 feet garage is 14,520 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.